Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. If this is your first time ever tuning in, I am currently on a mission to complete FlyLady's Zone cleaning for 1 full month. This is something I have struggled with in the last year of trying to follow FlyLady's cleaning plan to help keep my house more organized, more clean, and just more enjoyable to be in. What I have discovered is doing FlyLady's Zone cleaning is really all about routines. So before I can even get into doing the FlyLady routine in the morning, I wake up, I work out, and then I have coffee. I can't tell you how excited I am to be able to work with Bespresso coffee pods. These coffee pods are so delicious and affordable. When I heard that Bespresso had a multi-flavor pack, I jumped at the chance to get to try these because I love mixing it up every morning with a different kind of coffee. And the Bespresso multi-pack has 4 different flavors: an Italian, a Colombian, breakfast blend, and a donut shop. I tell you, I have been blown away with every single cup of coffee I've been able to try with Bespresso. And what was very exciting is the first day we were able to have these in the morning for coffee, I actually was fasting for some blood work, and my husband, I made him the first official Bespresso coffee, and I got a text while I was at the doctor getting my blood draw saying, "This is the best coffee I've ever had." And he was drinking the Italian that morning. I'm thrilled that Bespresso has actually offered me a link that you can shop from, as well as 2 discount codes listed in the comments below. You can get 30% off of a Nespresso variety pack, or use Coffee20 for an extra 20% off any of their coffee selections, including Nespresso pods, Keurig pods, and Bespresso ground coffee. You can even get an additional 10% if you hit that subscribe and have auto delivery feature turned on. And in the US, anything over $21, they offer free shipping. So it is a great deal. If you are a coffee drinker, definitely go check these out in the link below and enjoy your morning cup of coffee, and then go ahead and get started with zone cleaning with the FlyLady.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving.
Okay, I am finishing day 2 of my zone cleaning series, and if you've already watched day 1, then you know I started my zone cleaning with a bang on the wrong zone. I started in the kitchen, and last night I was reviewing before bed, like, hey, what am I gonna do tomorrow? Kind of like setting up that mental plan. And I realized I started in zone 2, which is the kitchen, and I have no regrets. I know I blew it right out of the water. I did it wrong. I didn't follow the instructions, but what I was able to declutter yesterday in the pots and pans cabinet and the Tupperware cabinet, which is now on my table because I'm gonna take pictures and post them online, what I was able to get rid of is a huge stress reliever. And I even showed my husband this morning when he saw the pile. He's like, what's all this? Like he was thinking like maybe I was bringing stuff in. And I was like, no, I decluttered that yesterday. He goes, oh my gosh, can we actually turn the turntables in the pots and pans now? And I'm like, yeah. So he was just as excited that I tackled that project as I was. And boy, did it really give me that like momentum and power, even though I was in the wrong zone. When I read the mission yesterday and it was talking about the dining room, I think that's just where my head automatically went, was just kitchen area, because my dining room essentially is my kitchen. So in review, yes, day one was a little offbeat, but it was still something I still accomplished a lot. So I marked off what I got done yesterday in the kitchen. I even started this morning because it is garbage day. I did start on the fridge this morning, again, part of zone 2. I didn't time myself because it was just a project that just needed to be done because there was just some food that I had to go through it. So I did that, and while I was at it, I kind of rearranged some things so that fruit and vegetables would be more at eye length or eye level. Milk is down low because I will always search for the milk, but I don't always search for the veggies and the fruit. So I rearranged it, and I am gonna see how that works out for us because I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it works great. They say when you have the healthy things that you want to eat at eye level where you can see them and that you open the fridge and that's where they are, you're more likely to eat them. So we're going with that method to increase our fruit and veggie intake. So I did do one more thing from zone 2 this morning, but I didn't count it as zone clean. I just counted it as a task that needed to be done in time for garbage day. I did, though, work in zone 1 like I was supposed to. And I worked in the front entryway. What I am telling you on day 2, what I love about zone cleaning so far is I did some tasks I don't normally do on my regular cleaning, in my regular cleaning routine, like cleaning the some of the baseboards. I cleaned my garage door on the inside. I went and grabbed a scraper, which I don't know what I have held off doing it for, but we had something was, I don't remember even if it was us or what, but there's been kind of like a duct tape residue on our door, and it's been there for I don't even know how long, that I don't even think I recognize that it's there, until I'm cleaning. And I went and grabbed a razor blade, and that came off in a snap. Why I haven't done that previously, I don't know. So focusing on just those detailed cleaning in the zone has already made a vast improvement in my opinion. I also use that razor blade to get some stuck on, I imagine it's like dog drool that is like just kind of caked on at the bottom of the window, and I scraped some of that off as well because it just doesn't really come off with a microfiber. So I am really happy with how that front entry looks. The garage door is sparkling. My switch plates are sparkling. The windows on the front door on both sides sparkling, and it was 15 minutes of work. 15 minutes. So I have the momentum, I have the energy, I am now on the right zone, and I'm feeling really good. I also added in, because we're going into the weekend and I wanted to get to the floors, I did part of the weekly home blessing. I did 10 minutes of vacuuming. The timer went off and I allowed myself to stop. So something I don't normally do, I will just vacuum until I get all of the vacuuming done, but instead I just focused on my high traffic areas. They're done, and now I can just enjoy the weekend knowing my floors are vacuumed. It feels very nice. Now I am not a part of zone cleaning, but I am going to take some photos of this stuff and get it posted on Marketplace, and then hike it on out to a box in the garage and hope that it sells within 2 weeks. If not, I'm picking a different option to do with it. I also have some clothing that I took pictures of in May and posted, some kids clothing, and what I had said I would do is post it for a week and then reevaluate prices, that kind of thing. But then it was the holiday weekend, so I haven't done anything with it. So it's been a little over a week, but I'm gonna actually bundle everything into one bundle, slap a lower price on it, and then fingers crossed it sells in the next week and a half, and then I'm gonna donate. So I do have some goals in mind. We have a project that we are working really hard to pay for, and the extra money we can throw right at that is really important, which is why I was like, well, if I can sell some of the stuff that we are getting rid of, all the better. Now, I know people will comment, just donate it, just bless somebody else with it. I get it. And I will if this doesn't work, but I had to stop myself because a part of me was like, why don't I have a lot of stuff again that we've decluttered. Why don't I just do another garage sale? And I said, no. Last year I did a garage sale, check out the video here, and vowed it was not worth my time. It was not worth the energy, and I would not do it again. So it's taking a lot in me to not just say, let's go do it. And instead I'm just trying online sales with Marketplace and, well, so far just Marketplace. That is where I'm at. Day 2 of my zone cleaning series is coming to a wrap. I did want to just reiterate, look at the app, go over what I accomplished in the zone. So I picked the entrance zone for today. I cleaned cobwebs. We don't get a whole lot of cobwebs, but there was some. In fact, I found a little spider that was in a cobweb. So got rid of the cobwebs. I dusted the windowsills of the front door. I cleaned the switch plates and handprints on the wall. I also did put a mark on the wall from my rag. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, didn't do that. I vacuumed the front area. Okay. I pretty much got everything. Oh, I did dust the furniture. I didn't dust the baseboards. It's basically the baseboards and straightening the front closet, which I did last month in that zone. I cleaned out that closet. I did a spring cleaning of that closet. You can check out that video. So I've already basically done that. So I didn't really do that. And I'm really keeping on top of making sure it stays organized. It's a lot easier in the summer. We have less coats. But I am really focused on keeping it nice and clean. So I got that done. And technically I did zone 2. I cleaned out the fridge. So I'm just going to wipe that off so I don't even have to think about it when I start zone 2 coming up shortly. Empty fridge and clean thoroughly. Done. So far on day 2, I am feeling incredibly motivated and ready to continue this series and actually finish a full month of the zone cleaning and see what comes of it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Tell me what you're excited to see get completed on this task. Tell me your experience with zones. Fill me in. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really does help share my journey with more people, and I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will be seeing you soon. Oh, I'll be seeing you tomorrow with day 3 in the zone cleaning.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.